You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. It's not a word, it's a name, sorry. Yes, I got confused because the top number one other video pronouncing this name gets it completely wrong, so gotta clarify things and make things right here. So it's pronounced in English, the pronunciation Luke. Luke. Okay, so it's an oo sound, so it's not like a book, it's not look, it's not like look, oh look over there. No, it's Luke. Okay, more like spook. Luke. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let me know too. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.